2025, an electrical technician should be very successful if he chooses to. Why? Because it is simple. You only need to create content about what you love doing each and every day. Make it a hobby, post it online, and the catch is it is completely free, my top boss. Talk about what you love. As an electrical technician, a digital multimeter is going to help you in a lot of ways, especially when it comes to troubleshooting and also testing your circuits after you have done the wiring or completed the installation. It's important for you to use a digital multimeter before you activate a circuit so that you don't second guess and have issues such as short circuits or tripping of the circuit breakers. Talk about your passion. Talk about what you do every day. Be it that light, be it that tool, be it that instrument that you use, or be it that machine that you use when it comes to your work. Where we have social media platforms dominating the phones and the gadgets of people or the general population, my top boss, the wisest thing for you to do is to ensure that you create content and post it. If you don't have a page, forget about the personal account on social media. Ensure that you create a page specifically talking about electrical or electronics. I don't know what you're good at. When it comes to picture posts, ensure that you capitalize on that. If you are good when it comes to video, my top boss, ensure that you don't leave anything on the table. Talk about what you know, be it this tester. Tell people, why does this light turn on when you place a finger here and place this part here on a cable or a wire? That is content. And when people visit your page and see that you're talking about this, they will start scrolling. Maybe someone is looking forward to get a solution when it comes to a solar backup that they have. They will bump into your work that you did some time back and they will give you work. My top boss also ensure that you have your contacts on those pages, be it your phone number, your email, your website. That is how we succeed today. They say that if you don't have something that is on the way of the river, when the water flows, how will it get wet? But if you have something already in there, once the water flows, it will definitely get wet. In essence, what I'm saying, my top boss, place yourself on the way of opportunities so that when opportunities arise, you have a better chance, my top boss, of grabbing them. Ensure that customers who are online looking for solutions to their problems, they will bump into you. Now, every day that I wake up, I ask myself a question. If someone was looking for somebody who can install solar for them, will they bump into a video that John has done? Will I stand a better opportunity compared to other people who are creating content to be the one to install this solar? My top boss, ensure that you are always working on yourself constantly. Create a page, create content, start, keep going, never stop. Those are the principles that guide me. And if you see me creating more, producing more, it's not that I'm the best. In fact, you might be better than me by far, and I believe that. But the issue is you have refused to start. And if you have started, you have refused to be consistent. Those are guiding principles that will help you dominate in today's world. If you are good when it comes to electronics, my top boss talk about that. If you don't believe in yourself to show up before a camera, why can't you have someone do that for you? You can also take a picture. You have seen me take many photos with questions on those photos. I do videos, I do photos, I even do wordings, my top boss. I create posts where I only have a write-up because I know someone else may be interested in this write-up. You don't have to be so good for you to dominate. You don't have to be the best. You don't need to have the best language or English in the world. When I was starting, I was mocked. And if I had given up, my top boss, you wouldn't know me today. But I keep on going. The trick is to keep on going. Be consistent no matter the ups and downs. My top boss, start right now. Now, if you're getting value out of my today's topic, my top boss, smash that like button. Now, we are in a jungle and this is a competition. If you sleep, John never sleeps. He's working day and night. Now, if you rest, I'm still running. Will you catch me, my top boss, or will you let me just be ahead? I want you to be ahead of me so that you may challenge me to constantly work on myself, to constantly work on my company. Look at what I have done with this. I started from scratch. I started doubting myself, but again, I have been consistent. I've been doing it day and night. Top boss, kindly, I urge you, I ask you to start creating content. The first video that I did, I was talking about an extension cable. I was talking about how to use an iron box with this extension box so that it may not damage the extension cable ports. And I was mocked by other electricians telling me that you are talking about things that beginners should be talking about. But I kept going, and look at where we are, my top boss. Start now, be consistent, keep going, and I can guarantee you that there is something greater inside you that you don't know and nobody knows, but you will never know about it unless you start. Thank you so much for watching this video, my top boss. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly smash that subscribe button. Follow me for more if you are interested in these topics and many more. My name is John Gatehi and this is Top Heights Electricals and Electricians. See you in the next one.